Have you ever heard of electroculture? They say you could use copper to get energy out of the air and make gardens grow better. I put a piece of copper tube right here, but a couple of weeks ago, I actually did an experiment with our new garden where I took the copper pipes and I put them in the ground, and then I took copper wire and I winded it around the pipes and put the wire, buried it up underneath the ground. And this is a couple of weeks ago. I want you to freeze frame it right here. Take a look at how it was looking. Now take a look at this. This is in a couple of weeks. Look how much this has grown up. But I'm wondering why this side ain't grown as much. And what I'm starting to think about is, because notice right here, notice how the fence is going in this angle and then it angles off this way. The last time I made a garden right here, it was the same thing. It didn't grow as good on this side as on this side. Now it could also be this tree, and it could also be this tree, the shade. But if anybody got any tips as to why this might be happening, why is this half of the garden growing better than this half of the garden, let me know. So I don't know if it's the electroculture. I feel like it did something though, because this is 2 weeks worth of growth. This is crazy, right? This is okra right here. This is an okra plant. And these are cucumbers. Some people feel like you need a green thumb to know how to grow. I disagree. The best teacher when it comes to growing food is just practice, like getting out here and actually doing it. Every time I do it, I get a little bit better. I peep things, I learn, I grow. You feel me? That's why I wrote, the more we grow, the more we'll see everything we need is free, because the truth is the creator of all things gave us everything we need for free. All we got to do is learn how to work with the elements that was given. It's not hard. If you got to go to grow food, I make it simple with this book. If you want to grab a copy, feel free. I got our website link underneath my profile picture. Prayers up, lessons up.